Trade crypto like a pro, without needing to be one. With TradeSanta, you get access to an all-in-one automated trading platform designed for everyone. Let our bots monitor the market 24/7 and execute profitable trades while you sleep, work, or relax. No more missed opportunities. No emotional trading. Just consistent results. Choose your strategy based on your trading speed. The Santa bot trades every 3 hours. The Turkey bot trades every 6. The Snowflake bot operates on a 12-hour cycle. And the Xmas tree bot completes trades in 24 hours. Each bot is optimized for algorithmic precision and can deliver up to 135% returns. These aren't just holiday names, they're your personal trading team. Start now and harness the power of automated crypto trading. Connect your wallet and let the profits roll in. Trade faster. Trade smarter. With TradeSanta, the market works for you. Join today and experience hands-free profits.